Okay, this is going to be a super quick video. I'm just going to show you guys how to replace your daytime running lights. I have one of them that are out. I'm going to replace both of them, but for the most part, changing out this bulb right here is basically going to be the same thing on both sides. So we're just going to do the left side and then show you guys how to do it. So first things first is you have this cap right here and take it out. Okay, once you've popped the cover off, go ahead and take your light out. The way that you're going to do that is these little tabs right here. When the bulb is in, you'll just press them and pull the bulb out. Next, we're going to take the actual bulb out of the socket. Take your new bulb and reverse the steps. Once you've got the new bulb on there, go ahead and slide it back in. Make sure you put it in the right way or else your bulb will jump up and down while you drive. Last step, which is the most important, put your dust cap back on. Okay, that's it. That's really all you have to do to replace your bulbs for your daytime running lights. When my headlights burn out, we'll go ahead and do an LED conversion. If that video's up, it's right here. See you on the next one. Bye.